So, before going to the Veg Fest today, I guess going through from the garage into family room and the kitchen. I was grabbing some stuff. I think I grabbed a hoodie, or went to the front door, grabbed a hoodie, went back to the kitchen, grabbed something else. And then she was heading out the front door, and then I set the alarm, and then I went out the front door, and just as it shut, I asked if she had keys, because I left mine in the kitchen. She did not have keys. I was pretty sure the garage door was locked, but we used the remote keypad to get into the garage, and it was locked. I texted my best friend that lives in the neighborhood, because she's the only person other than us two that have a key. She didn't respond, so I think she was, whatever, she was out. She just wasn't available at the time, so we discussed a few options. And decided on breaking in. I was trying to be nice to the door and not do anything too much, so it took a couple minutes. It was remarkably easy to break in to the garage door. Right now, I just have just a regular doorknob with this, no deadbolt. I've been wanting to get an electronic lock and just replace this one with no lock, just kind of like a closet door doorknob, and then put a deadbolt on it. I'd wanted like one of the electronic ones that I could unlock with my phone, Alexa or Siri or whichever virtual assistant we're using, so we can just lock it and unlock it from anywhere. Those are pretty expensive, so for now just got a battery operated keypad one. So as long as there's power, I'd be able to open the garage door, like the big overhead garage door, and then push the keypad to get in here. So that was the excitement before the Veg Fest today. So I'm going to swap out the doorknob, drill a hole for the deadbolt because there's not one, and install deadbolt. Should be pretty exciting. That was my key. It's just as secure as the other one right now. Okay. Battery died. I had to charge it for a few minutes. Didn't really miss much. This got stuck. Tried a bunch of things trying to get it off. Finally watched another YouTube video, and said grab a impact driver, put it on reverse. The guy was just holding it with his hands and it came off. I needed to use a wrench because I couldn't hold on tight enough. It was jammed on there pretty good. So here's the next one. late, so I decided to play some more. It's only been a couple minutes, but I got that piece in the front, slid that on. Said if it doesn't go, then one of the pieces wasn't lined up, and quite frankly, I don't feel like messing with it anymore. I want a snack. Looks pretty secure, doesn't it? I mean, a little while ago it was just a doorknob with a screwdriver sticking out of it, so it's better than that, maybe? I don't know. It's really about the same. At least it looks like there's a lock on it from the outside. A lot of security is really just the appearance of security. I know the news used to call it security theater a lot. Some people understand, some people won't. But that's my little production for the night. So, see you tomorrow. Okay, good morning. I think I figured it out, and it's just this piece, this little thing that spins right here, was in the wrong angle. I think it said it had to be up and down, and I think when I had it in there yesterday, it was side to side. Missed all of that fantastic word working. I guess you'll get the idea. This isn't my profession. Not anymore. Sorry about that. Must have bumped you going around the corner. You didn't miss a whole lot. I just got all the wood out of where that plate goes. So I'm about to attach that. That's never good. Okay, this is where I needed to take more than just like beginning wood shop. I thought I drilled the pilot hole in far enough, but apparently not, because I stripped the screw. So I'm gonna have to go to the store and get another one. I'll check the packaging. Maybe they gave me 3. I find that very highly unlikely. But I'm gonna do some other stuff and do that later. So I'm gonna get this working as close as possible to how it's gonna be, and then go to the store later. just a screw. So, I mean, it's still more secure than it was yesterday. It's the ultimate insecurity. Can you see that? Yeah. You can't use a screwdriver on this anymore. It's never coming out. Unless you did what I did. That should do it. I hope. I guess I'll find out when I try the other one right now. Sometimes I feel like I just like to get myself in trouble to see if I can get out. Or mess things up to see how easy it is to really fix it. That's what I need to work in, the government agency that just fixes things. I had to censor myself there. Works. Now I gotta figure out how to set the code so I can get rid of the manufacturer default. I'm done until I go back to the store and get some, or get a new deadbolt anchor screw bolt. That sounds weird. So, see you in a bit. Alright, so the door's all done. It works and everything. I'm not going to show you the code. Of course, it could be better. Always seems to be the case. Hopefully, deadbolts are harder to break than doorknobs. So that's it. We're gonna try to do some other things today, like go to a library. Didn't happen. There was some other issues. I had it kind of messed up when I was explaining the fork theory. I'll have to try that again, because then you can like borrow them from the future, like tomorrow's forks. You can use one of those today if it's something like important or something that you really want to do. And then that's just one less that you have tomorrow. Then I started thinking about it. It's actually kind of like credit. You know, you do that and then there's interest. So if you borrow too many times, then you kind of lose a whole day, and it just builds up like crazy. And so anyway, that's it. That's how you install a deadbolt. Nice glare. So yeah, have a good one.